Misconceptions about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has been at the forefront of news reports for a long time now, which frequently includes alarming stories of how AI can replace human workers. Employees are overwhelmed with fear that their positions may be replaced by AI in the near future, and with the swift increase of technology and Goldman Sachs suggesting that 300 million jobs could be jeopardized, it's reasonable for them to feel this way. AI is an economically beneficial technology for businesses as it can reduce operational costs by automating mundane tasks. Consequently, freeing employees to focus their efforts on more profitable activities. The intense focus on artificial intelligence, AI, in the past half-year has eclipsed the fact that the standard AI tech emphasis on detecting forms, taking decisions, developing analytics, classifying material and detecting fraud, has been operational for quite a few years now, and many organizations have already been using it. AI is having a great impact on an extensive variety of businesses, like financial services and management consulting. Many people feel bothered, partly due to some executives declaring their intentions to use artificial intelligence, AI, to reduce the number of IBM's employees, as Arvind Krishna, the IBM's CEO, mentioned in an interview with Bloomberg. In particular, using AI to automate time-consuming activities could give employees additional time to focus on important projects or tasks, enabling them to feel contented in their jobs and reducing the risk of burnout. If we take ChatGPT for example, there are a number of ways in which it is not totally objective. One of the things we think is really critical is how important it is that it can cite the evidence of where the machine created the answer from so we can verify it's truthful and accurate. For instance, it may sometimes be prone to hallucinating, which means it can deliver an output that appears to be correct, but is actually untrue. Therefore, the people using such technology should be cautious when verifying and fact-checking the answers. When AI applications are built with biased or incorrectly sourced data, the systems themselves can be problematic.